Hello and good day everybody. Welcome in Selčany. It's a small town in Czech Republic and my name is Macik. I'm professional truck driver on Dakar Rally. Well, today won't be about me. Today will be about our team, our big shock racing team. As you can see, this is our service truck, but we will see our workshop, which is much more important and much more interesting. And today we will show you how we cooperate with such brands like Champion Lubricants, who is our supplier of all oils. And why Champion Lubricants? Well, it's easy. We share common desire, that's the first thing. Second thing is that we love challenges and adrenaline. And let's say we have common values. And if you connect all these parts together, the cooperation has born. And it has born in 2019, actually 2018, but the Dakar was in 2019. In January, we finished second in a half marathon. Then Dakar 2020, we finished fifth overall, and actually the first private team in truck category. Well, but we are not here about talking how our partnership is gorgeous and everything is gorgeous, but we are here to talk about specific oil. And today we will talk about transmission oil. It's not that simple if you imagine transmission that we are putting just this oil into the transmission, but we use it also to our exhaust, to our differentials and to our wheel hubs. But about that, let's go inside. Let's go inside to our workshop. I will show you how it looks like, and then I'm interested, what do you think? There it is, our workshop. This is the place where the fun begins. What you can see? Well, totally disassembled Charles. It's my racing truck, the truck from Dakar 2020. The brand is Iveco. Well, here there is the new axle, which is actually getting assembled together by our guys. Then you can see our bonnets. They are getting repaired after Dakar 2020. And actually everything is getting to the finish because we are going to start testing, hopefully in June. Well, the rest, there is many places, many rooms, which I would like to show you, but today is not about that. Today, let's see the axle itself, where we put the oil, what we do with the oil. As I told you, I will show you exactly what oil we use for that, and maybe how much we put inside, and some other know-how we built after many years. This is completely new axle from Rába, from Hungary, and as you can see, it's not standard serial production. We need to upgrade it with some brackets and everything else to be ready for the race and for our race truck. But as I told you, this time this is about the oils. And as you can see, we have a special tool, let's call it filling container. I don't know how it's called actually, but this is something what we use to put the oil inside. So I mean inside the differential, inside the wheel hubs, because we can say that we check it every day and we change it almost every second day, just in case. Anything can happen, and you need to have, let's say, fresh oil for all the time, because you don't want to finish because you didn't change the oil. So as you can see, this is the differential. We put approximately 14 liters in that. Sometimes we just check it, sometimes we change it, as I told you. There is the point which you use for that. As you can see, if you compare it with my body, it's quite huge stuff. But yeah, that's truck racing. Yeah, and then you got the wheel hubs. There the oil can be changed every day. Now we do it every second day. It depends, how it looks like, what the temperature, whereabout, and so on and so on. There is many stuff and conditions which helps us to figure out if to change it or not. And what I didn't tell you is what oil we use. It's actually 75W140. This is the specific number of the Champion oil we use inside this axle. Then you got the transmission oil into the gearbox, and it's different for manual gearbox and automatic gearbox. Then you got the engine oil. But about this, let's see other videos. This was just about this transmission oil, which we put inside the axle. As you can see, the differentials and wheel hubs. Well, that's all for today, and I hope you found out something new. And let's see in the next video.